Alright, Kean, what we got over here?
I just bought some fake wheels. Rep the world, man. Rotas.
They're real rotors.
They're actually real rotas.
That's it. I think that's, what's it called?
These are 16 by 8, 4 lug, 4 by 100.
There you go.
Yeah. Right. So I'm putting these on the EJ1, 16 by 8. And I'm putting 205/50 16s on. Kind of like,
I don't know. We're
decent amount of sidewall. I'm kind of trying to.
I'm a little concerned for fitment.
Yeah, I have used tires and I'm kind of just using them for now. But eventually I'll get the spec I want. So these deep dish boys, I gotta mount them upside down because the drop dead center is inverted. See, most aftermarket wheels, like big ass truck wheels or 3-piece wheels, you have to mount them upside down.
Which is also kind of nice because you don't fuck up the lip. Cool.
That's probably the main reason, to be honest. Yeah, I'll show you guys the tire that I'm using.
It's the bro, it's
BF Goodrich.
This is the good stuff.
Radials.
Are these winners?
No, they're just all seasons. I got these tires with this rim from some lady with an EM2 for $40.
Were they actually 40 bucks?
Yes, they were 40 bucks. And they're core racing, like from back then.
These are the
I took off the caps because they were all
classics.
falling apart. They had like the little lion, core racing lion. Man,
these are the early 2000 hitters, man. I'm sure these were bought like.
Always wearing like some sussy outfits in our videos. Like look at
the
the Crocs, no socks, dusty Nike sweats, and
the bomber shirt and the chain. You don't miss. Yeah. What are you doing?
What? What? Look at this car. Look at this car. Bro.
Yo, this is some
Look at this paint.
banging fit, man.
You got some cream white and some.
Hey, don't expose them like that. I'll just stand back
on
here.
camera. You probably can't even tell.
It's closer. But Kean, yeah.
You should tell them the backstory. What happened? Tell us
Tell me what happened.
So basically, Duncan, one of the guys at Cooking Point, decided to launch his car into my rear end. Can I tell the full story?
I guess that's good enough. You just fucking smashed it.
Yeah, basically one of my friends just fucking. Well, look at the old bumper.
Okay, we'll cut. What we got going on?
So,
Shit's a little. My fault.
yeah, bashed me pretty good. The crash bar in the rear of my car is also fucked. So
Absolutely crunched.
I don't have
but
one right now. I took it off, but I also snapped 3 rusty ass bolts. So I was just fuck it.
R.I.P. the bumper
I
cut.
got a new one though. I'm gonna put that one on later, but I want to repaint it because rusty as fuck. And I kind of want to go back to cut bumper eventually, but
I don't know. I feel like we should stick.
I'm gonna rock this
Okay,
for now.
man.
Cause like I haven't had like a full sport kit.
Yeah. So like you can tell from over there, before the chop was like right here, bumper's cut, but now we got the lip kit, so it's actually like matching kit and everything. Wow, this thing's donked out right now, man.
Yeah. Did he tell you how much we got this bumper for?
And how it was what, 90 bucks?
Same day. Picked it up for $30
It was
with the lip. But it was
I
red.
feel like-
It was red and scratched up.
I feel like the lip's worth half decent money. The lip's probably worth like at least 30.
Like a couple months ago. So basically, the Honda Fit lip, it fits on the EG hatches. And one of these Filipino guys, like one of my cousins or whatever, had one. I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy one for mine. But I wasn't thinking. I have a coupe, so it's the bumper here. That is like way far.
Yeah.
So I
It goes
didn't-
like all the
so
way
now
out
I just
to
have
here.
but I bought that thing for $60. Yeah, and it has like a crack in the middle. But this one was mint, bumper and.
So if you're looking for a Honda Fit lower lip,
GD3 rear lip.
you want the
it's
sport
blue.
kit,
Yep, definitely no cracks.
$100, no, $500.
Take it off my hands for 15.
15 bucks?
I don't even want it.
I feel like that's too cheap.
Well, I'm not gonna do anything with it.
You just gotta wait till I get an EG, and then I get it for free.
True. I
So,
can show what it looks like. Your kind of video.
yeah, so this is what they look like.
Yeah, this is what EG hatches look like with the Fit lip. Kind of, no one even knew. Like when he had this in our city, no one knew what this was. They're like, what lip is that? What rear end? But he has a UK bumper, UK lights, clear tails.
What?
The OEM bumper.
I think something's fucky with.
I'm missing a clip. This guy's got
the
the.
gap for the screw, for the bolt.
Oh, what?
Something's fucky, man. Something is tweaking.
It's also a
the
rebuild title. We don't know what's been done.
yeah, she's fucked. How's it on the other side though?
Outside fits fine.
It's not bad.
It's kind of up. Wait, just loosen this and pull it. Oh no, you can't even.
No, but it's like far away, and it's funny because it's rebuilt from this side. This,
So it makes sense that this one would.
Because they made
That'll-
the difference?
Is that all Bondo?
That's fucking Bondo.
Collab, man. I don't know. Bro, just self tapper, just.
What?
the walkie drill. I need the drill.
It's right there. Oh, that's not the drill, but
I almost fell over this thing again. Not again.
Where is it? Where's the other
over
one?
there. Well, I was gonna use it, then I realized we have bits for that gun.
So what are we gonna do here? Does it like go in? Oh, the bumper flexes, but.
It flexes, but it's not gonna stay in. So basically, once we get to driven,
Just,
I'll do what we did last time. Since it's not gonna be moving, I'll just, you know, show up to driven,
push her in.
pop it back in, I guess, or some shit.
Just, bro, hot glue. Just goob a little bit of JB Weld plastic in there.
Later. Shit under my car.
Should be good, man.
Milwaukee, if you're watching this, I need all your tools, please.
This guy's broke. He has no money. Mr. Milwaukee, the man himself.
Literally, if you get them for me, I'll put Nutbuster on them.
No, the thing is, the bumper ain't moving though. That shit in there.
So, like, this is actually where it's supposed to be.
It's supposed to look at the other side. It's supposed to be tucked in like the other side.
Yeah. But it's supposed to be like this.
Yeah.
But it's correctly.
I don't fucking know. My bumper clips are kind of fucked. This shit's kind of like fucked.
Why don't we? I got an idea. Can it go in anymore this way? Or is it touching this? Like, so if you have that unbolted, can't we just push this in? Oh, shit. Can we just push this in, right? And then just bolt it down, like tech deck style at an angle?
No, if you bolt this down, then it presses that out.
Oh, shit. So maybe we need to get, is there a clip? Or are all the clips in?
All the clips are kind of fucked. It's like
I
every
think-
bumper I've had.
I think the issue is your clips then.
Probably.
Is it not?
No bumper gang. I'm just gonna fucking delete the bumper. Case
Fuck 'em.
swap, no bumper. Get the it's like bash bars. Fuck, what do you call those? Like custom bash bars.
Will it clap itself?
I don't give a damn. It may look clap, but once it has a K in it, it'll be fucking sick. Alright, what was that? Holy shit.
I almost fucking tripped over this fucking idiot.
The bumper's clean, the car.
It looks like, it looks bigger now with an actual bumper. I don't know why. Like, it looks like taller.
My car looks taller?
Yeah. I don't know why. Looks mint on camera. Yeah, don't tell me you're just washing it with water.
Got some dirty ass water?
Oh yeah. Wait, let's see. Single bucket method, everyone knows. Dirty, step one, dirty ass water.
Make it look nice
Bro,
for a couple seconds.
you're just rubbing the dirt in.
Ah, what do you mean?
Scratching the This guy's absolutely no regard. Unhinged.
Whoa, looks like it matches the bumper now. That's crazy.
Bro, we'll wet the bumper to make it the same color. We'll wet the bumper, and then we'll drive down a dirt road. What the hell you got cummy in?
It's like some yellow thing. I'm gonna wash this thing tomorrow.
Dude, you're just rubbing dirt in the mains. You don't give a damn, man.
Better than using the brush to fucking do it yourself wash.
Okay, well, who uses the brush, man?
Ian does.
He uses the. Oh, I guess his car.
He has no paint.
He has no paint.
He's probably still gonna use the brush after he paints it.
Oh, I could imagine how much that hurt my soul. Just like taking out the brush after some truck dick.
Nah, but the brush on your wheels
Fair enough.
is the best shit to do.
See, I can't do that because then my paint comes off.
Off your wheels?
It's like half
Powder
gone.
coated?
Probably not, considering it's flaking, unless it was the most yee-ass powder coat.
I mean, like I painted my own wheels, and I use a brush on them. My paint still doesn't come off surprisingly.
It is water, man. This is the shit. You're just like contaminating
Oh
them.
shit, that's in the water.
Does not care. There's no regret.
Fucking man.
The Milwaukee waterproof, man.
Yep.
Just getting a nice bath.
They're waterproof.
Are they
See
actually?
the Donut Media video?
I don't watch Donut Media.
Oh,
I'm
no. Yeah, no, what Donut Media?
I'm Donut Media hater, man.
They were testing like which drills like the best with impact.
Yeah.
And they had like a range of like cheapest to most expensive.
Yeah.
And the most expensive one broke. And they were like dunking them in water. They're doing this and straight on dunking them in water, and then Milwaukee survived. Multiple dunks.
That's it. This is all an ad so we can get free Milwaukee. Mr. Milwaukee.
Please sponsor us.
Sir Mr. Milwaukee, the man himself. We need, I'll get four of these.
All my impacts at work, Milwaukee.
He buys only Milwaukee. He's
Only Milwaukee.
a Milwaukee stan.
Best banker, but Snap-on, mid. I said it. Snap-on's mid.
Damn.
You're gonna get a bunch of haters in the comments.
I'm gonna go check in with Kian. Bro, you're only on tire number 2?
I was procrastinating.
Yeah, this guy's lacking.
I mean, I've been doing it for maybe 10 minutes straight.
Bro, if you need your tires changed, man, ring this guy up, he'll give you head.
Yep, I'll give you guys head. But
Change
honestly,
your tires.
this machine cannot handle fresh tires. Yo, this is Nick, bro. Flip the point head, bro. He's the head of the vehicle. Yeah, I mean, this is
for water, to be honest.
What?
These are the same. That one's a little bit wider.
These are 6s.
And those are
8s.
They're 8s. This guy's gonna
Sorry,
have.
these are 7.
What's the offset on these?
That's a good question. I don't.
God knows the offset. That's all.
fuck it, don't balance them.
That's what I wasn't going to.
We'll just lie, bro. These are 6 specs. They're negative 45. Bro, see money bum shot. Spill it on your ass.
Actually, no, never mind. I was gonna say buy a fit, don't buy a fit. You're gonna increase the price of them. Fuck you.
Bro, these things are terrible.
Look how much space there. I mean, look
There's
how little
unreliable.
space there is.
Everyone's gonna think you're a pussy.
Exactly. And they're slow.
You'll get no.
There's absolutely zero aftermarket support on these. I absolutely hate this car.
They're definitely terrible.
Yeah.
You should not buy one.
Don't buy one. The chassis, so loosey goosey, bro. It's like a hot dog in a hall.
The farthest thing from rigid, man.
Yeah,
farthest
not
thing from
rigid at all.
Why am I just filming you like you got shoes in this shit? You just poured putting your seat there.
daily. I got shit everywhere.
No, this is some riveting content, man. Actually, you know what? I'll sit back here. The seats, horribly uncomfortable, man. This actually feels terrible. My head's touching the walls.
Heads touching the walls.
I don't know why I said the walls. I meant to say the ceiling.
The roof?
Whoa, cinematic shot, man.
Whoa.
Whoa. Nah, that one went hard, bro.
Oh, it's crazy. You don't have a headrest.
No head?
No head?
Bro, cinematic headrest install.
Where the fuck the other one go?
Oh, goddamn.
What's going on?
This guy's looking fresh.
There's one more rig there.
Watching the cinematic.
Okay, I think I'll take out the trash today. Or
Bro,
at least throw it in the back.
Car show prep, man. Taking your trash
Yeah, no,
out.
watch this. How to get rid of trash. Yo, Hoppo. Audience gotta see this. So you see all this shit back here? Since it's the hatch, you just throw it over the back. Right? Put the shoes over. Fucking Nerf gun.
Fill it up, man.
Throw these napkins out. Right now, looks pretty clean, right?
Yeah.
But if someone looks in through the window, right? Oh my gosh, it's such a mess. Invest in a privacy cover.
Oh my lord.
Not only do the homeless not see what you have in the back,
Bro, so they don't steal your fucking ultra Nerf gun? Bro, driven prep, man. This thing is absolutely ready.
Is that on fucking upside down? It fucking is. Hold up.
This guy's a mechanic and he can't install a privacy. Bro, he's looking for a job.
He's gonna sell one of these bad boys.
Mom, clean car.
Close the trunk.
What's up? Oh, I forgot about him. Oops,
Now
Lamo.
look in the back window. Can't see anything.
Can't see
Look in
nothing.
the back seat.
Can't see nothing.
Can't see anything.
Wow. How to clean your car, man.
I need a vacuum.
You also have to have a bowl of assorted nuts.
Yeah, you know what's funny? That's been there since I bought the car.
It came with a pre-installed
No,
hardware.
I'm not even joking. It came like this one especially.
Yeah.
Those are mine.
What are these? You just got red washers?
This is for the plate.
Yeah, these are the rice ones.
Gross ass hair. What was that noise?
That was my seat moving.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, so that just came with the car. Just a bunch of fucking
He's got
bolts.
carbon fibre. Bro, this is real.
Yeah, totally, bro.
Totally real. Shit. Oh.
What?
Won't show that.
Hell?
Not gonna show that. Bro, it's already clean, man.
Yeah, look, you
Just
can't even see in the back.
Toss it back there.
If you're looking for sex car, buy a Fit.
No, we're supposed to be talking about how bad they are, so the price goes down.
Yeah, right. No, they're horrible.
What an asshole. Actually, do you think, because Kian has an RSX hub. Does that fit on here?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Because we could just throw Kian's old Nardi on it. Say fuck it.
Honestly, I'm not even sure what fits on these hubs.
I mean, we could look it up. We might be able to just like, bro, throw it in, fuck it.
Right before?
Yeah, why not? At least swaps.
I could, if it fits.
Because like, I feel like it'd spice it up a little bit. Like a little bit more race car. Because Kian's got
Yeah,
like 5 wheels, man.
Well, not only do I want, not like a quick release, but like a racing wheel, because they feel sick.
So you die when you get into a car accident?
Also have shirts tucked in, driving gloves, and they feel like absolute garbage on a stock wheel. Like I'm pretty sure they're made for it.
He's got a LARP, man. He's got to pretend that he drives his
Plus
car.
the Honda badge is crusty. Look at it. The chrome's
Yeah, that shit
falling
look-
off. Oh, this shit's
Yellow.
Where the chrome fell
Whoa.
off. Oh, yo, Kian. Kian, did you bring that Honda badge? The Honda badge.
Yeah, it's in my RSX. Go get it.
You brought the RSX? Oh yeah, right.
You got double-sided tape?
No, it has 3M on the back of it.
Oh, alright. We'll cut